Henry puffed to the airport. But soon, he was in trouble. Gordon's Hill was very icy. Every time Henry tried to puff up the hill, he slid back down again. "I need my lucky trucks back," Henry huffed. "I can't make my deliveries without them." "Must find Edward, must find Edward," chuffed Henry. Then, a snowslide came down and blocked Henry's way. "Oh no," puffed Henry. "If I had my lucky trucks, this would never have happened." Henry puffed up the line. He saw pipes across the track. They were blocking his way. "I thought you were collecting presents," chuffed Molly. "You're supposed to be at the airport," snorted James. "Edward has my lucky trucks," whistled Henry. "I must find him." "Don't worry," called Rocky. "I'll have the line cleared in no time." Henry waited sadly as Rocky lifted the pipes from the tracks. Then he chuffed on to find Edward and his lucky trucks. But every way that Henry chuffed, there were more delays. "Sorry," puffed Thomas. "It has taken me a long time to clear this line." "It's not your fault," Henry wheezed. "I need to find Edward and my lucky trucks." And Henry puffed sadly away. Henry couldn't find Edward anywhere. "I'll never see my lucky trucks again," he sighed. But when he puffed into the frosty forest, there was Edward with Henry's lucky trucks. "I found you," Henry chuffed excitedly. But he puffed too quickly. His wheels slid on the icy tracks. And he biffed right into his lucky trucks. "Oh no, I've broken my lucky trucks," groaned Henry. Henry didn't know what to do. "I'm not going anywhere without my lucky trucks," huffed Henry. "But they're broken," chuffed Edward. "And if you don't collect the presents soon, the children won't have anything to open in the morning." Henry thought about how sad the children would be. "I have to get to the airport somehow," puffed Henry, "even without my lucky trucks."